So this pose is kneeling splits. Amazing for the hamstrings, amazing for the hip flexors. And really, you come into this the same way you do. If you haven't seen this standing splits video, go and check that out. But you'd come into it the same way as you come into this one, standing splits. And then you move yourself all the way forward. You're melting, you're melting, you're melting, and you drop that knee to the ground. Now, from this position, you're totally supported by your bent knee on the ground. And now you just begin to go a little deeper, pushing forward. Your weight is melting forward. And this is an amazing place just to stay and hang out. You've got a lot of stability with this one, and you can really go in deep and stay here long. It's personally one of my favorite poses. And breathe. So to come out of this pose, you just come back to your center, you grab hold of the trapeze again, and you just pull yourself out. Same way as you came in and out of standing splits. So if you haven't seen that tutorial, just go and check that out.